In this video, you'll learn how to change the comment font in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever wanted to add a personal touch or simply make your comments more readable, modifying the font can make all the difference. It's a simple process that can enhance your document review experience significantly. Let's dive right into it. First, we're going to start by using the Add Text Box tool. You can find this tool easily in the All Tools menu or directly under Add Comments. Adobe Acrobat organizes its features in a user-friendly way, so locating this tool should be straightforward. Once you've selected the Add Text Box tool, you're ready to add your comment to the PDF. Now that you've got the tool, click anywhere on your PDF to place your text box. This is where you'll type out your comment. Feel free to write whatever you need, whether it's a simple note, feedback, or a detailed observation. Once you've typed your comment, you're halfway there. To change the font of your comment, you'll need to open the text properties. Start by highlighting the text you just typed. This is an important step because it tells Adobe Acrobat exactly what text you want to modify. With your text highlighted, go ahead and right-click on it. You'll see a menu pop up with various options. From this menu, select Text Properties. This is where the magic happens. You'll be presented with an array of options that allow you to customize your text. You can change the font type to match your style or document requirements. Maybe you want something bold and impactful, or perhaps a more subtle and elegant font is what you're after. The choice is yours. In addition to changing the font type, you can also adjust the size. If your comment needs to stand out, a larger font size might be necessary. Conversely, if it's a minor annotation, a smaller size could be more appropriate. Adobe Acrobat gives you the flexibility to make these changes effortlessly. Color is another exciting option available to you. Whether you want your text to be a specific color for emphasis or to match a theme, you can easily adjust it here. Color can be a powerful tool to draw attention to your comments or to categorize different types of notes at a glance. Lastly, don't forget about alignment. Depending on the layout of your PDF and your personal preference, you might want your text aligned to the left, center, or right. Proper alignment can contribute to the overall readability and aesthetic of your document. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've changed the font of your comment in Adobe Acrobat, adding a personal and professional touch to your PDF. This quick and easy customization can significantly improve the way your comments are perceived and can make your document reviews more efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.